Hello! Surprise! Happy birthday sa inyong lahat, Mama Raquel, Mommy, Epeng, and Kuya. Happy birthday! I miss you all. Enjoy your party. I wish I'm there to celebrate with you all, pero alam niyo naman, I have to stay here for now. Para magtrabaho muna, makaipon, and hopefully, in the near future, makauwi na rin ako and makasama ko kayong lahat. Miss na miss ko na kayo, mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa party ninyo. Mami, Mama Raquel, sana magustuhan ninyo yung munting surprise ako sa inyo. Lagi ninyong iisipin or tatandaan na mahal ko kayong lahat. Mama Raquel, please, 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 stay healthy. I need you to be okay. Kasi I still want to spend time with you. I still want to see you. I still want to hug you. So, please, stay healthy. Iwas-iwas sa mga cholesterol at saka mga bagay na nakakapagpa-high blood sa'yo. So, sana palagi mong ingatan yung sarili mo. Mahal na mahal kita, Ma, and I miss you so much. Mami Carol, ingat ka dyan palagi, and sana pagbalik mo dito sa Amerika, mapuntahan mo naman ako. So, we can spend time together then. And hopefully, magustuhan mo naman dito and maihanap kita ng work so you can stay with me na lang for good. And I'm sure Daddy J won't mind. He will be okay with that. Kuya, miss na kita. My dear kuya, my only kuya, my best friend, my best enemy, my partner in crime. Kahit minsan mo lang ako namimiss or naaalala, palagi kita naaalala, palagi kita namimiss. And namimiss ko rin yung mga pag-aaway natin. Naalala mo, naghahabol pa tayo up and down the stairs, nagsasapakan. So yun, sana palagi mong ingatan yung sarili mo para sa mga anak mo. You're so blessed to have two beautiful kids, and I am so jealous. Lalong-lalo na kay Yuan, oh my God, he's such a cutie. So, ingatan mo silang lahat. Sana magpatuloy-patuloy pa yung magandang trabaho mo. And hopefully, you find a better one para na rin sa mga anak mo. Try mo rin kaya na mag-ibang bansa. Maybe Canada. So, you'll be closer to me. And, para naman mapuntahan kita palagi, diba? Para mas maganda, masaya. Epeng naman. Epeng, congratulations, first of all. Pagpatuloy ang pag-aaral, humanap ka ng magandang course na talagang magagamit mo yung pinag-aralan mo. Hindi yung masabi lang na nakatapos naman nag-aaral pero hindi naman magagamit. And please, listen to me. And you should know that what I'm about to say is totoo. Dahan-dahan lang sa pagbo-boyfriend. Kasi you'll have plenty of time for that. For now, studies muna. Kasi number 1 talaga ang pag-aaral. Sana nakinig din ako nun. I regret not listening, but I don't regret my life right now kasi I'm okay. But anyways, yun nga, sana ipagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral mo, makagraduate ka ng college and find a good job. That's all I wish for you, and always be a good girl. Well, you're not a girl anymore. Dalaga ka na. So, just always be nice to your mama and don't give her any headache. And yun lang, magpakabait palagi. And like I said, just keep studying. And happy birthday again. Miss na rin kita. And to my baby brother, Matthew, congratulations. Same thing for you. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung pag-aaral. And I hope, finally, nakapag-decide ka na kung ano talaga ang gusto mo. Kasi one day, you wanna be a pilot. One day, you wanna be this. Another day, you wanna be that. So, hopefully, na you make up your mind. And sana, yun talagang gusto mo na magagamit mo. So, congratulations, baby. I miss you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. Palagi mong tatandaan na Ate loves you. I love you. And you know that. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Mama Raquel, mahal na mahal kita. Mami Carol, I love you too. And I miss you all so much. Kuya, I love you. Lahat kayo dyan, mahal ko. Sa mga bisita, hello. Kamusta kayong lahat? And yun lang. So enjoy, have fun, enjoy the party, and I miss you all. Please, please, everybody stay healthy and take care of yourself. Ingat kayo palagi and God bless you all. I miss you. I love you all so much. Bye-bye.